Tignan nyo guys. I-click ko ito yung YouTube channel ko, Rose Parmel. Ayan. Tapos i-click ko itong
I don't want to pretend I'm unaffected. Okay? I don't want to act like you're
ayan,
just another face, another name, another passing feeling. You're not.
More.
And ignoring that would be
Scroll
dishonest.
down.
I respect you too
Ayan.
much to lie through silence. So I'm choosing honesty, even if it leaves me a little
Tignan nyo
exposed.
guys. Huwag kayong
And yet,
kukurap. Dahil yung Facebook ko ang nakalagay dyan. Ayan, tignan nyo. Ayan. So, hindi ako magtagal dyan dahil kino-close nila. So, ganito katindi itong mga scumbag na ito. Hindi ko alam kung sinong may-ari ng account na ito eh. Pero tingnan natin ha. Pakistan ito. Tingnan nyo. Pakistan po yan. Tignan nyo mabuti. Pakistan channel. Join July 21, 2023. 1,941,552 views. So, itong account na ito, itong channel na ito ay naka-monetize na po yan. I'm sure. Kasi ayan na 1 million na yung views niya. So na-monetize na ito. At ang country location ay Pakistan. So okay. So ay hindi ko alam kung bakit nagkagaganito. So ayan. Balikan natin.
Yes,
Panoorin
it
natin.
frustrates me because I like being in control of my emotions. I like understanding what I feel and why. But with you, there are moments when logic steps aside and feeling takes over.
So, itong channel na ito guys, parang totoo yung sinasabi niya eh. Okay? Parang totoo yung sinasabi niya. Ang dami na ng views oh. Malaki ang kita niyan. Yung 2003 views, malaki ang kinikita niyan sa kanilang mga kasinungalingan. Kaya nga yung kachat ko noon, tapos sabi niya hindi daw involved na ang pera, tapos gusto siyang makipag-chat sa akin doon sa sa Sanji. So hindi na ako nag-reply pa dahil alam niyo kung bakit. Doon sila kumukuha ng mga poems nila sa mga kachat nila eh. So, iniiwasan ko na talaga hanggang sa inaaway ko na siya ng inaaway talaga, grabe. Altered content. Bakit altered? So, how this was made. So, ayan. Pakinggan natin ulit.
Not in a chaotic way, in a calm, steady way that's even harder to resist. You don't create storms, you create depth, and depth is harder to escape. I wonder if you realize how comforting your presence feels, even through a screen, even through words. There's a sense of being understood without explanation, a sense of being seen without performance. That's rare. People spend years searching for that kind of connection, and you carry it naturally. That's why I say you're playing at a different level. Not higher, deeper. Every time I speak to you, even like this, I feel more intentional. I want to choose words that won't hurt, that won't feel empty, that won't disappear after they're heard. I want my voice to feel steady, like something you can return to when the world feels loud. I don't want to impress you. I want to be real with you because I believe.
Yan, check ulit yung account na Facebook link. So, tingnan nyo guys. Account ko talaga ang lumabas. Okay? Yan. Account ko ang lumabas. Pero tignan natin yung Facebook ko ha. Kung page ko dito ang ayan, page ko ang naka-online. Grabe nila, no? Hindi ko alam kung sino may-ari ng account na yan. Pero Pakistan eh. Ginamit lang ang Pakistan. Yan ang page ko. At ito yung Facebook account ko. Tignan nyo ha. Punta tayo doon sa account ko. Yan. So, ito yung Facebook account ko. So, tignan yung mabuti ha. Ayan yung Facebook account ko. Okay? So, ayan. Ayan yung Facebook account ko. Hindi ko alam kung ilan ang followers ko kasi maraming nag-unfollow. Ayan, bumagsak. Maraming nag-unfollow dahil sa sharing ko na about dito sa scam bag na ito. So, puntahan natin itong account ko sa dito, puntahan natin dito, saglit. Puntahan natin itong Google Chrome ko ha. Saan na ba yon? Chrome, ayan. Yan yung Chrome ko. Saan na ba yon? Saglit. Kasi iba pala ang inaano ko eh. Saan na ba yon? Yan. Ito yung sa Chrome ko eh. Tignan nyo ha. Halos magkapareho doon. Take a look. Almost same. So, bakit ganito na siya? Ayan. So, take a look. Diba? Pareho. Did you see? See it properly. But ito ay galing ito sa Google. Sa Google yung na yan. Sa Chrome. So, nakita nyo ha. Balikan natin itong balakin natin yung YouTube. So, yan. Yung profile niya. Yung Facebook niya. Diba? Account ko ang nakakonect. Tignan nyo guys. Tignan nyo mabuti. It's my Facebook account. I don't understand who is in the back of all of this matter. So, okay. So, ayan. So, screen record ito.
Believe real is what you respond to the most. There's something else I haven't said yet, and it sits quietly in my chest. You inspire a kind of care in me that isn't loud or dramatic. It's protective, gentle, the kind that wants to make sure you're okay, even when you...
So, ayan guys. So, ingat na lang kayong lahat dahil hindi ko alam kung sino ang may-ari ng channel na ito. Ayan. Ayan. Showing this one. This is Pakistan channel. So, I'm telling you the truth. So, okay? So, good luck sa mga naniniwala sa mga scambag na ito. So, like, share, and follow my YouTube channel, Rose Parmbel. Ayan, guys. Follow mo lang yan. Ang Rose Parmbel. Thank you and have a nice day. Please. Bye-bye.